Alright you guys, so this episode we're going to be sandblasting, getting ready for paint. We're going to be doing a Raptor liner on this thing, and that should be here tomorrow in the mail. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using the pressure washer with one of these. Anyway, you stuff that down in a bag of sand and it sucks through this white hose and it comes out the nozzle of your pressure washer. It just creates a suction. And what this stuff is what am I using? This is from Home Depot, and this is where is it? Industrial quartz. Right there. Industrial quartz. It's been working really well. I'm gonna fire this thing up, and we've got this side completely done. We got the front completely done, and basically almost got this side completely done. And I've got, this is the first bag I've used, and I've got probably an eighth of it left down there. So let me fire this up and we'll knock out this last little piece of red right here and show you how this works. So I strongly recommend wearing some kind of protection. This face shield works pretty good. Just don't turn your head to the side or whatever stuff will get in at you. Maybe some safety glasses even with that. But let's start this up. Take very long at all. It actually comes off pretty quick. This is the 33 psi and 2.4 gallons per minute. They actually recommend using a 4 gallon per minute. However, it's going pretty quick. And let's see, we got, that's what that sand looks like down in there. And this is industrial quartz. Seems to work pretty good. It's pretty cheap at Home Depot, and you just stick that wand down inside that bag. You don't even need to dump it in a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this knocked out, and hopefully we'll be painting tomorrow. Okay you guys, today's the day. We're gonna put some Raptor liner, bed liner on this thing, finally give it some color. It showed up here in the mail just a little bit ago. I'm gonna take some acetone, wipe the whole entire thing down. We've got it sandblasted. This piece I ran out sand, so I've got it all wire wheeled. And so the Raptor liner, you take and mix, there's a hardener. It looks like a can like this. It's probably about this full. You raise it up to about here, you mix it up, shake it real well, and you spray it with the gun that's provided at 40 to 60 psi. So we're sitting right at 50, so midway. We'll see how that goes. We're also going to be spraying the 2 rear wheels, so we can get the tires on that thing, start rolling it around, and I'll get you set up and we're going to start spraying this thing. Now Raptor liner is a two-part. This is the hardener here. And it gives you, it's probably about this full, and we're going to fill it up to this line right here. Right there. And then it says to shake this up for a couple minutes. So we're going to shake this up and we'll go to the buggy and start spraying it on. Okay, you guys, so that's the bottom of the COOT all done. That took 2 of the containers. The kit comes with 4. You've seen me there at the end. I take and run some acetone through that gun so it won't get clogged up. So the finish looks pretty good. Kind of ran out a little bit here on top. This is the bottom. I'm still going to be going over this with the tan. This just seals it up and gives it a nice hard coat. This is a real easy system to use. Point and spray, shake it up, point and spray. So thanks for watching.